Good time to get drinks. We get some nice breeze on the lake.
The breeze is nice.
Adam, do you want to have water?
What did you guys say?
I got my bottle and everything with me. Yeah, I'm good. Hog's Breath, Granada. This is a really cool spot. Really cool restaurant and cantina. Tons of taxidermy. This is great artwork. I'd love to have some of this at the house. These are crazy. All right, heading for the bus. Let's go play in the water. We've met up with our neighbor, Paul, and the kids, Willie, Clarice. We got a good crew. This is gonna be awesome. Going to the bus. Chicken bus.
I drove it one day.
Like, this is where the bad kids in school sat, was in the back. Chicken bus we go. It's banging up in here. Oh. This is gorgeous. What?
The guy that this guy Marty built this boat. He's from Toronto.
Oh really?
But he built it from Toronto. He's from Toronto.
Yeah, it's a barge.
And he used
That's
to run
awesome.
all the boat tours on Lake Ontario.
Yeah, he ran all that.
I saw him.
All right. Let's see where we're going. This boat's rad. It's like a big old barge. Guy from Toronto actually owns it. And built it all. Oh, there's our slide. Bar. This is great. Yeah, this is beautiful. Volcanoes, volcanoes, volcanoes. Ometepe. This is great. Cool. We're gonna play in the slide. We're gonna jump in the water, but we're gonna go upstairs and see what everybody else is doing. Anybody down? Woo! You got it, Willie? Go, buddy. Yeah. Oh boy. Nice swim, Dad. Yeah, buddy. You alright? Oh, super fun. Dead man floating. That's amazing. Oh. Fucking feeding French piranhas. Ah! That'd be insane. There goes Willie again. Push to the front. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! There you go. Bye-bye. There we go. Yeah.
God, buddy, diving.
There you go. Yeah, girl. And this is one of the many reasons why I chose to buy and invest in Nicaragua. Phenomenal community, amazing people, and a life that just doesn't exist back home in Ontario, from where we're from. Oh boy, let's go.
2, 3, go!
Yeah! Woo! There we go. Cool. Well, that's good. Amazing day. We're on our way back. It looks like we're just doing a little cruise here. The sun's just about to poke out around the volcano. Right there. Surrounded by volcanoes right there, right there, right there. That's Ometepe and everything down in that area. Beautiful. Granada is definitely going to be a place to come every time that I get a chance to come in from the beach house. It's unbelievable here. There's so many cool shops. I found end tables today for the house and some more beautiful artwork and stuff. So yeah, it's great. We're having a blast here. Highly recommend Nicaragua to anybody who's never been. You will not be disappointed. Look at that sun coming. That'll be setting out at the beach house right now, which we'll be back at tomorrow. Oh, this is so sick.
It's a little Airbnb.
You know, he's already over there. Like, that's a little paradise, man. Look at that. Those little cabanas. It's a gorgeous setup. I love it.
That's actually, that's not.
That is absolutely rad. That is gorgeous, man. Like, this is beautiful. Their grass is better than back home in Canada. Who would want to live there? Leave it in the comments. Like, you know what that is in Tahiti or Bali or something? That's crazy. They're just chilling in your pool, just overlooking. It's amazing. Well, I guess if you're gonna do it, you might as well do it. You might as well pull the trigger, do it how you want to do it.
This one looks like a mini hotel.
Yeah. Yeah. It's amazing. Yes, sir.
Hey, we made it back.
Dude, that
Thank
was
you
awesome.
very much.
Dude.
That was amazing.
That was amazing.
Well, thanks.
Appreciate
Yeah,
it. That was great.
That was cool, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.